Hello RV people. On this video, if you start having issue getting your refrigerator started in the morning, let's say you put it on auto and then it try to ignite and then start blinking, means it's not getting enough propane. So what helps is turn on your gas, and then now let's try again. So now it's attempting to start. So let's go outside and listen to it. So I always come here and listen for that igniting sound. Now that tick 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 is trying to start. You might have to do this maybe 2 or 3 times, but once it's on, that sound will change to like sound. But definitely turning on you see that? You hear that? Yeah, now it's ignited. It's a continuous flow. Yeah, so that's basically what you have to do. You have to get the propane flowing smoothly. Otherwise, you will just keep up having, now solid green and orange means it's successfully ignited. So that's why starting the propane, especially in the morning. That's turning on propane stove really helps, and then that's how you can get it ignited. All right, hope this helps. All right, ciao.